Hey, I'm Fish. I'm shooting with the Insta360X5 and the Insta360 Mic Air. I also have the DJI Mic 2 for the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. I could switch back and forth and turn off the Insta360 Mic Air and do the DJI Mic 2. It's usable for the camera. The thing I have here is the remote control. I have hand gesture and I have the twist to record. I've taken out the X5 today because it's not raining. Get some shots in, and I'm using Instaframe mode. That's the mode I like. And I'm also using 5.7K plus, which will give me the actual use of upconverting to 4K video. It allowed me to put the camera anywhere I want and capture me. Now I can change over to show you that I put it over a car to look down at it and around the pole. And it takes a lot of editing to do. If you want something real quick, this cuts to the chase. If you're doing the 360 INSV file in Insta360 Studio, you're going to have a deep track green line, and you're going to have to get rid of it by deleting it. Once it's deleted, then you have a free form to do whatever you like. If Insta360 allowed 8K, the highest resolution in Instaframe, then we all would be the happy camper that you cannot imagine. But they only allow us 5.7 plus. I wonder why they didn't maximize it to 8K. Is there something that's stopping it? Could the camera overheat, not handle an 8K file as well as being deep tracking you? I don't know. I look at the screen. I see it's small, not big, doesn't use the entire screen when we shoot video. And I'm thinking of an L bracket that I could do landscape, and I got to change everything around so I could have my camera this way, and wishing the screen will look a lot wider. Now I'm in linear mode, just a little bit past linear mode, towards the narrower side. I don't like to have things bent, and this allows you to do just about anything imaginable. But once you choose it and you forget to change off of it back out, and you want to start to record, it's not going to happen until you get to the live feed screen. So there are ups and downs, preventions to stop you from actually doing the twist to record. You don't have to do it hard. But remember, holding something out that far, I give you all the credit in the world. The younger the better, the older the harder. Vlogging with whatever you have. I hope you enjoy what you do with the camera you have. I got my X5 for reasons. I got it to do reviews when I need to do certain things and have an overhead shot like so, looking down or around and just basically spinning around and some movement. I don't love doing a lot of sophisticated work like I used to. It takes time to do it. Sometimes I don't have all the time in the world, and I try my best just to do it. I'll give you a nice example. On my earlier vlog, I got a comment. Oh, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, the fog AI didn't do a great job. Well, it's not all about the Ace Pro 2. It's about the user and the editor. I didn't add a second overlay, another of the same video of me, to have the fog go behind. Titles behind, for example. The fog being behind me. The fog went in front of me. And the person thought it was the AI Ace Pro 2. It was not. It was a user error. The camera is not great for detail. If I start to zoom in, it'd not be great at all. I have a squirrel, if I remember, to go into Insta360 Studio and capture him going up the tree. I'm holding my camera because I don't put it on a tripod, because this is not a tripod attachment. I have a 1/4 20 thread on the Insta360 invisible stick, and I have to stand here. Well, that's where we're going to switch over to the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. But before I do, I'm going to basically find the remote control and hit the stop button. Now, I do this with my Ace Pro 2, hitting the on and off stop button and so forth. And I didn't try double press, 1, 2, noise canceling on the the X5. I was about to call it the Ace Pro 2. And how do I sound? 1, 2, 1, 2. Time to shut it off and see what happens to the file. I guess I lose it. And the video blinks. Does it continue? I got a green light instead of a red light, and it's saving the file. On the Ace Pro 2, we lose that file, meaning it stops recording. Long press, see how long it takes to go on, and we got the blue light trying to sync up, and we're still on green, and we're synced up. Are we with sound? Test 1, test 2. Are we with sound? Test 1, test 2 is what I said, nice and loud. There you go. Now on Instaframe, hand gesture. It don't work. I guess, like we said earlier on, some of the things may or may not work. It may protect. I got the squirrel. He's coming back down again. Yeah, time to switch on over to the DJI Mic 2. Now, I'm not going to switch over. I apologize, because I don't want to take the time now to sit here and reset it back up to the Action 5 Pro. It's a pain to do each time. But Action 5 Pro is not like the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and the X5. It always connect back to the DJI Mic 2 no matter what you do, because it don't have to relink. It remembers. DJI don't. The Insta360 X5. It's not a lightweight contender. Hold it out on the selfie stick. You're going to have to find a way to hold it that doesn't hurt you. Maybe have a strap over here, wrap it around your wrist. And that'd be a nice way to hold it like so. And yeah, it does a nice job when you want to capture things. Maybe somebody made a handle over here that comes out that you can hold it like this. Now, I am going to be using it for other things. I thought I'd go out today and have some fun. I have it on my new shelf. Got everything. I wanted to try the Insta360 Mic Air and see how it sounds doing a vlog. And that's why I went out. Got a lot of good shots, I think, for me. It's a nice day, 5.7 plus. I didn't do pure video because it's in between light and dark. Not a nice day, it's a foul day again, but not raining. And I have 2 files I could edit. I had a squirrel, went up the tree with him or her. And I don't think I'm going to go into the actual editor because I look at the audio file and they don't have an audio tracking line. Do they? Let me know. Why don't we have an audio track line so we can see what we want to edit? We have to visually look at the video itself, and I like to look at the audio as well. When I see me talking, I know that's where I edit. Well, I did say a lot, said a lot, shit a lot, showed a lot. It's time for me to pack on up, take you with me, and get on going. I'll put you away. I don't really want to stick you in the pocket, but everything's all protected, and away and off we go. Well, yeah, I saw one of these cars before, remember? How it was all decked out, right? I wasn't fast enough to switch my camera around and hit shutter. I saw a water bottle on a scooter as a seat. Those 5-gallon ones. I'm almost sure it was cut and they flattened out with the second one. I'm not sure, but that's what I saw. Well, I had a nice walk instead of a bike ride. I didn't want to take the bike out. I walked instead. And yeah, I got some things to take care of and meet up with Joe. Yeah, and take care of some notes and get some things taken care of. And off we go. Yeah, all the houses, they used to have brushes like so. That's the way we used to look. No more. Not a lot of them were kept up. They died, and off they went. It kind of gives the house a nice look. But having where just, cement and nothing, maybe that's the way you like it. Fish, and I'll see you on the next one. Time for me to get on out and get on going.